We're just continuing with the halachot of the Netilat Yadayim. We're talking about now the cutting of the nails. So he says over here, obviously we already brought down, if you remember, that there's a mitzvah to cut your nails on Erev Shabbat, Lichvot Shabbat. If right now they're not long, so therefore you do not have to cut the nails. However, then you just wait for the next week, the next Erev Shabbat. But according to Rabbeinu Mekubalim, as long as you're going to have that the nails are sticking out from the skin, which means that when you actually look on the other side, you could actually see that the nails are sticking out, so therefore there's going to be a mitzvah, and therefore you're obligated to come and to cut the nails. And therefore it's going to come out that even if it's going to be during the rest of the week, you would also do it. You won't wait until Friday in such a case, according to the Mekubalim. But again, remember that there's a mitzvah to do it every single Erev Shabbat. Now, to do with doing it before Erev Shabbat, so it says it's proper not to do it on Thursday, but rather that you should do it on Friday. Now, the question is, before Chatzot, after Chatzot, there's different minhagim, but you're allowed to do it without any problem. Now, even though yesterday we brought down that there was a minhag brought down in the Ramah, that you're supposed to cut it in a certain fashion, the Divaga Bidaga says the Halacha Brura, as we already brought down yesterday, that since the Mekubalim, in the name of the Rizal HaKadosh, there's the Rav Chida, and others say that there's no problem whatsoever, you don't have to be makpid on a certain seder, so therefore he says that you do not have to do it, and that is the minhag shelo lakpid b'zeklal, which means you could cut your nails in whichever fashion that you want. Doesn't matter if it's going to be one after another, one beside each other, doesn't matter, all the nails, there's not going to be a problem, even though there was a Rabbi David Bodaham, and even though the Mishnah Berurah says lechatchila you should be makpid, but again Rav David Yosef brings down in the Halacha Berurah the minhag was not to be makpid, and therefore you do not need to be makpid in how you're cutting the nails.